everybody, welcome back to Villains and Vice. I'm Beth, and today we have another unboxing. This one is from Pinkalamode, and I'm super excited about it. So, everything in this box is of a singular theme, and my necklace from my friends Julia and Brandon over at Princess and the Bean is a clue. It's all about the Evil Queen today. Pinkalamode, and you've seen them before on my channel. I have some really gorgeous pins from them. They had an exclusive Loungefly backpack that I saw and was like, I have to have that. So of course I went ahead and pre-ordered it, and then they also had a couple of Grimhilda pins, and I was like, you know what, throw those in too. So I'm gonna open this up and show you what we got. I should pre-cut these things. I don't know why I don't do that. Let's start with the pins. I might take some fine out. Here we go. Okay. We'll start with this one first. Goldie box. A cute little pink envelope. This is a Pinkalamode exclusive. I feel like Grimhilda's looking particularly regal in this pin. And a little snooty. Maybe a lot snooty. The back, just that regular gunmetal. But anyway, love her. Add her to my collection. We are very quickly losing space. I did get a couple more pin boards because look what happened. That's only gonna work for a very short time because my next pin is a little bigger. So the other Evil Queen pin I got was a fig pin, and it's beautiful. All right, here she is, but I'll pull her out for you. Let me pull her out. I love how the magic mirror is his face is behind her on the backer card. How cool is that? All right, here she is. She's pretty weighty. She's a big girl. Isn't she beautiful? Just love her. There's so much detailing in this. There's such a tiny pin. I mean, look, her makeup is on point. Her medallion, she's holding the poison apple. I love it. Alright, stick her back in the box. Alright, now what we're really here for, the Loungefly. I can't wait for you to see this. I can't wait to see this. Packaged super nicely to protect the crown. They're all undone. Alright, so here she is. Look at her little fierce self. She's holding the heart box that she gives to the huntsman, and it has a little metal heart and a dagger. And look at this. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? The little pull is taped up. Thought I could just pull it off. Oh my gosh, I love it. So the bag is mostly black with a purple zipper. The handles are purple. And look at the back. Here's the huntsman. Ready to cut out Snow White's heart. Oh wait, maybe not. Let's see if we get a cool lining. No, we do get more trash. Can you guess what it is? It's the poison apple! Oh my gosh! Look! Oh, I love it so much. Alright. I don't know how often I'll take this bag, if ever, to parks, because I worry about the ones with the little extra pieces. I'm not sure Lady Tremaine and stepsisters are going to be making it to any parks either for the same reason. It was a good sized little front pouch too, perfect for, you know, like a phone, tissues, some credit cards, little pockets on the sides. We have the Loungefly emblem. Gosh, it's just so beautiful. So beautiful. Oh, I really love packages from Pinkalamode. I have to say, anytime I get a box from them, I know it's going to be something epic. They do a lot of really cool villain things. Lots of really cool villain things. That's what turned me on to them. That's what keeps me coming back. Oh. So, what do you guys think about my new Loungefly? Did you like my new pins? My Evil Queen collection is growing and growing. I'm going to have to add some more Jim Shores to the collection to kind of catch up with all of my Maleficent Jim Shores that I keep getting in my Bibbidi boxes. But that's it for this video. Short and sweet. I hope it's short and sweet. Thank you guys for stopping by. Let me know what you liked best from my Pinkalamode haul, and I will see you next time.